Hello, STA community. STA takes great pride in the many accomplishments of our students, whether this be in academics, sports, or community involvement. This year, STA is changing the way it recognizes and celebrates these accomplishments in order to better honor our students in every discipline. First off, STA will continue to celebrate students for their many athletic accomplishments, either as individuals or as a team. The Athletics Board will continue to showcase athletes who exhibit the qualities of a saint in the athletic sphere, and announcements will be made to celebrate games and tournaments that we win throughout the year. Second, STA will be doing more to recognize academic achievements. In previous years, grade 12 students were recognized with subject awards if they were the top of their class in any particular subject. This year, we are extending subject awards to every grade level. This means that the top students of every grade and every subject will be recognized. To be nominated, students must have one of the highest marks in the class and also contribute to the class through participation and good example. Finally, STA is introducing the new Saint Achievement Award. The Saint Achievement Award recognizes students who demonstrate distinction within the school community and beyond through works of service, extracurricular involvement, and good citizenship. The top 25% of students in each grade will receive the award, which includes a pin with the grade's color, a certificate, and your name appearing on the school website. A student who wishes to qualify for the award needs two things. First, nominations. Teachers will nominate students who best model the qualities of an STA saint. These nominations happen throughout the year. Teachers may inform you if they've chosen to nominate you. The more nominations you receive, the more likely you are to win the award. A poster containing criteria for these nominations has been put up in your classrooms. Second, in homeroom, you will be given instructions on how to keep a record of all the activities that you are involved with over the year, whether this be at school or in the broader community. These include service and extracurricular activities. At the end of the year, your involvement will be taken into consideration along with your nominations to determine whether you qualify for the Saint Achievement Award. These awards will be presented at an assembly at the end of the year. This way, parents can also celebrate your achievements. Go Saints, go!